Just look at that. That is our cheesy Italian pastry wreath. And we've got our tomato dipping sauce. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we're doing another crazy one. We're making an Italian sausage pastry wreath. And we're going to do a tomato dip. We're using a bundt pan. Who said a bundt pan is only for cakes? I've just greased this with butter, look. And I've got some parchment paper I've cut a hole in. And we'll put that in there because we don't want the pastry to stick. Now I'm not sure it's going to work, but we're going to give it a go. There you go. I'm going to put that to one side. Now I've taken a sheet of puff pastry and I've cut it in half because we'll roll it over, but we have to roll it over to join. Sausage meat today, I have my own Italian sausage meat. Irrelevant, get Italian sausages, take the skins off and you've got sausage meat. Okay, we're just going to put some of that in here. So basically we're making a huge sausage roll. Make sure you've got the oven on. Oven has to be on 200 degrees. And then all we're doing is taking our sausage meat and we're going to put it down there like that. Now just make a little well like that and I'll show you why. So in we come. So I'm doing this with one glove on and one without, as if anybody noticed. Now the reason for that is I want this hand going in this bowl. Not bother about this one, we can just wash it. But I don't want to keep hand into bowl. Hand with glove on is fine. So this is Italian sausage. We're going to make an Italian dish. That's going to confuse the heck out of the Italians. You see why we put that in there? We're putting mozzarella in there like that. How fantastic is that? Eh? Come on, are you kidding me? A little bit of water. We've got to stick this. Come on. Now what we're going to do, I think, I've just decided to make this up. I'm going to take that like that. I'm going to do that. Okay. Now we know what we're doing. We're making this up as we go along, look. But we're still creating a seal. So we're lifting that up like that. And we're tucking that on there like that. Okay, so we've got our two lengths there. And we need to be putting that in our bundt pan. Just going to join that pastry like that. I'm going to put that in there. So we got that in there like that, look, and now we need to make some slits like that, just with a pair of scissors, like that. Egg wash and in the oven. So we're going to do two here, look. That goes in the oven and it's going in for about 35 minutes. In it goes. So just join that up like that, a little bit of water on there, shove that cheese in, and we close over, just close it over like that. And that is our sausage roll wreath, ready for our bundt pan. Okay, while we got that cooking, we need to be making a sauce. The sauce is so simple for this, you know, it's going to be like a tomato sauce, like an Italian tomato sauce. So we're going to go in there with a little bit of olive oil. We're going to put the flame on, and we're going to whack in some garlic in a second. Not too hot. Don't scorch the heck out of the garlic. Okay, in there, your garlic. In there, tomato paste. Give it a little cooking in that olive oil with that garlic. Now that's going to take out the rawness of that tomato paste. You don't have to go daft with this one, you know. In there we want about half a teaspoon of oregano, half a teaspoon of dried basil. We want some black pepper, and we want a little bit of salt. We're just going to give that a stir. And then we're going in there with our tomatoes. Tomato juice first, look, because I'm using whole tomatoes. So let's just give that a stir so we're nothing sticking on the bottom. That is fabulous. Then, as always, a nice pair of scissors, or any pair of scissors, and just cut up your tomatoes, and we're going to bob them in that pan. And if there's any left, big lumps, a nice little whiz over like that, and just start cooking. Nice little cooking in there. Now you can blend this after you've cooked it to make it a smooth sauce, or you can leave the tomatoes in. It's up to you. Now what we're going to do is add about a teaspoon of sugar. That's going to sweeten up that sourness from those tomatoes. Okay, once you've got your tomato sauce cooked like you want it, you know, well, you can either blend it or leave the tomatoes in. Now we want to be serving this up cooled down. So just put it to one side. We'll carry on. Okay, out we come. Look at that. That is superb. Let it have a little minute on there. We'll get the next one going. That is fantastic. Up we come. On there. A table display right there. Now the same again, but I'm going to just egg wash this on here first, and then we're just going to put it straight in and cut it. So just egg wash it up. Don't matter how you do it actually, does it? In our bundt pan. Boom. How easy is that? Take your scissors and a nice little cut through there like that. And in the oven. Get it in the oven 35 minutes. Just look at that. And we want some of our sauce in there. Just look at that. That is our cheesy Italian pastry wreath. And we've got our tomato dipping sauce. What you have to do with this, you have to tear and share. So you have to cut through. And it's just easier to cut through with a pair of scissors. Oh, come on, we're in. Oh, look at that sausage meat in there. You've got all that cheese in there, look. Come on. Oh. Oh, delightful. Come on, let's have this. Look at all that cheese in there. In here. Oh, off we go. Oh, that is absolutely fantastic. What a fantastic bit of fun. Just look at that. Put that on the table. Superb. If you like what we're doing, don't forget to share with your friends. Tell them all about it. Tell them all about the cheesy Italian pastry wreath and our tomato dip. If you like what we're doing, big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell, catch you in the next video.